This is Jason and Kyle from Decker's Pondscapes, and this week on Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to go over how to close down your pondless waterfalls. So the tools we're going to need for this job is a shop vac, a blower, we've got a hose we use to blow out the lines, channel locks, and a 2-inch plug.
I'm going to start off by removing any of the top debris to access the vault. We'll remove our rocks, remove our pump, and go from there by blowing out our line and plugging. I'm going to start off by removing our fittings, removing the pump, pulling that out, and getting everything else kind of cleaned up in this area. Get it loosened with the channel locks, and it should come right out. So during this process, you're going to want to make sure that none of these cobbles or little pebbles or rocks get down into your vault. Otherwise, during your opening process, you're going to want to make sure that you get them out because they could damage your pumps. Now they got the pump all out and our components out, we're going to blow out our line and plug it. As in previous video, if I can get it started. Plug in the pipe. Here we got these rubber stoppers for these kind of pipes because you can't screw in anything on these ends. Just our 2-inch line ran up, and we're gonna stick this inside here and then tighten it down, and now plug that, ensuring no water back feeds into this pipe. You're gonna need bigger channel locks. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by removing our check valve and get that all set away. Any excess water out if you can. We're going to take our pump, make sure your plug-in doesn't go in the bucket. And we're going to put this in a bucket with water to store for winter. These pumps have a rubber seal and tend to seize up if you don't have them in water. Alright, so now that we got our pump out, our components out, the line's blown out and plugged, your pondless waterfall is closed. Remember, if you guys like this sort of thing, like, subscribe, interact in the comments, check out all our social medias. If you guys want to see anything in particular, let us know and we'll try to get into it as soon as we can. And as always, enjoy your families.